this task we had to choose a resource. We chose one that relates to the PDH-PE syllabus. A student describes the nature of health and analyses how health issues may impact on young people. As you can see here, we are just outlining which points it focuses on. This game is called Mealtime, and you can choose between breakfast, lunch or dinner time, and children learn about healthy food habits and nutritional requirements for a healthy life. Children also learn how to design a meal plan which reflects healthy food habits. Here you have to choose out of one of 3 meals, and clicking on each of the ingredients you can see the nutritional information for each of them. This helps children understand the relationships between nutrition and a healthy lifestyle. Children must choose the best option out of the 3. This information panel here gives you information about all the different food groups and how to choose which meal is the best. Ask an expert shows children how to ask questions about things and gives answers from experts. Children click the Eat It button after surveying the other options. And it gives them constructive feedback about which options are the best for nutrition. The quality teaching model is a model used to evaluate the effectiveness of teaching and learning processes. This game addresses some of the quality teaching model criteria, such as those in intellectual quality stream, higher order thinking. This means that the game involves synthesizing of ideas to come to a conclusion. The game does this through synthesizing that children are made to do in order to choose which combinations of foods are best for them out of the choices given. Related to this is the idea of higher order thinking, and the notion of deep understanding, which this resource also touches on. Deep understanding involves grasping relatively complex relationships between the central ideas of a topic. This game touches on this because it makes children begin to understand the relationships between nutrition and the health benefits through its Ask an Expert, and also through asking the children to choose which food is the best to eat for each given meal of the day. One of the streams for the QT model is which again is relevant to this resource, is supportive classroom environment. Academic engagement, which comes under this heading, is present in this resource through the Ask the Expert button. Another important stream of the QT model is connectedness, namely connectedness to the world. This resource shows the qualities of this because it is related to the context outside of the schoolyard, namely the choices which children make every day, which is what to eat and how to stay healthy. For this reason, it is relevant to the world they are living in. According to Prensky, today's children's brains are wired differently due to increased exposure to technology during their early lives. This leads to present-day students having a different learning style, which is more based on technology than it ever was before. As teachers, we must adapt to this in order to captivate students.